Okay, the session is now being recorded. So the lesson is about differential equation. So what is differential equation? If an equation contains at least one derivative. So what do we mean by derivative? When we say derivative, that is rate of change. For example, that is dy over dx. That is an example of a rate of change or a derivative. Okay, now if you look, guys, with, for example, in a graph, in a graphical, okay, for example, this is the graph. Then we will be plot 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is the point. Okay, then let's say this is 4 and 2. Now, if this is the, for example, the graph, let's say this is the curve opening to the right. Okay, so imagine this. Okay, so here, you can notice, okay, so this is an example in which we will be seeing how does the rate of change happen. So imagine this is a triangle. Okay, so this is the triangle. Now, if we expand it to a uh, more extension, or we expand it more, there is a rate of change per unit time. So that's why, guys, so that's why we call it derivative or the rate of change. Now, what are the examples of a differential equation? This is an example of a differential equation because it contains at least one derivative. Okay? Now, if you recall, this equation, when there is a dy over dx, this is the rate of change. Therefore, this is considered a differential equation. Okay. So, any questions? So, again, when we say differential equations, it contains at least one derivative. Okay. Now, what are examples of differential equations? You can see another differential equation. For example, this one. This is also a differential equation. Okay, this is a differential equation. But this is a second order. How about this one? X squared plus y squared dx minus 2xy dy is equivalent 0. Is it a differential equation? Yes. If you will equate this, for example, x squared plus y squared, okay, this will be equated. This is 2xy. Then imagine this is the dx. Move the dx to the right side, then dy. Now, after that, x squared plus y squared divided by 2xy is equivalent to dy over dx. So, this is the differential equation. Okay? Or, you can divide it by 2xy both. 2xy dx, then 2xy dx. Then this will be cancelled. Then here. Then this is now the equation. So both are examples of differential equation. Okay? Any question, guys? Do you have any questions? Is it clear? Okay. Now, as we continue, how about this one? Okay, so for example, this is an example by partial differential equation. This is called a partial differential equation. Okay, so when we say partial, you are partial differentiating. We have an examples, I think we have examples or topics on this. If you have differential calculus, I think you have discussed it. Okay, this is an example of a differential equation, but this is called partial DE or differential equation. While the example, the squared W, this is an example of uh, ordinary differential equation. So we have two types of differential equation, ordinary and partial. Now we will be classifying. Now the classifications of DE are in terms of order, degree, and type. Okay, now for example number letter A, the dy over dx equivalent to 2x plus 5. So what is the order? When we say order, the definition of the order is when we say order, the highest ordered derivative. Okay. So therefore, in this equation, if we will label this the order, degree, and type, the order of this is 1 because it has an exponent 1. Now, what is the degree? That is the exponent of the highest order derivative. The exponent of the highest ordered derivative. What is the highest order derivative? This one. So if this is the order 1, then there is also an exponent, but it is also 1. So the degree is 1. Then type is ordinary. Because the type can be ordinary or partial. Okay? Depending on the equation. So let's give another example. D squared over S dt squared minus k squared plus S is equivalent to 0. Okay, what is the order? The order, guys, the highest order is 2. So what is the order? That is 2. The degree is 1. The type is ordinary. Okay, can you thumbs up if you understand? Can you thumbs up? Okay. Okay, very good. Now let's try to answer. How about this one? You can answer at the chat box. X squared plus y squared dx minus 2xy dy is equivalent to 0. What is the order, degree, and type? For the order is, what is the order? If I will simplify it, just like what we did recently, this is equivalent to 2xy, x squared plus y squared. So since this is an first order, so 1. Degree is also 1. Type is ordinary. Okay, so did you understand? Okay, the differential equation. Okay, so I think clear, nagiging clear na siya. Yes, yes. Okay, when we say partial DE, okay, for example, uh, this is the triangle, this is the y, dy, dx. So this is the rate of change. This is ordinary. But for the partial, let's say the y is x squared. Okay, so you can substitute the partial of y with partial of x. Meaning to say, even though we have, let's, for example, I have x squared y. Okay, we can uh, get the derivative even though you have two different variables. That is called partial. So that is the difference. Is that clear? Is that is that clear? Okay. So any question? Okay, so I will give example more. Okay. So wait lang. Okay, so going back, I think we can now proceed. So again, the concept of here is you will try to get the order, degree, and type. So I think we can get some example. How about this one? This is the partial of u, partial of t is equivalent to h squared, partial squared of u, partial of x squared, plus partial squared of u, partial y squared. Okay, so what is the order, degree, and type? So order, what is the highest order? That is 2. What is the exponent of the highest order? That is 1. Type is partial. Okay? What else? How about this one? D squared W dx squared raised to cube plus xy dw over dx plus w equivalent to k. Can you write now in the chat box what is the order, degree, and type? Let's see if you are correct. What is the order, degree, and type? Okay, can you now write in the chat box? Order, degree, and type. So that I can see if you are correct. What is the order, degree, and type? Okay. So again, this is what is the highest order? That is 2. Because this is d squared, so that is 2. Now, what is the exponent of the highest order? That is 3. And the type is ordinary. O, di ba? Napakadali. Parang masaya to face to face. Okay, no? De joke lang, no? Anyway, can you thumbs up kung yan ay naintindihan? Okay, naintindihan naman, no? How about this one? Tingnan natin, no? Ito kaya. Itong ilagay niyo sa chat box. Ano kaya, ano lang, try lang. Tingnan natin kung ano ang high order, degree, and type. Okay, let's say this is the equation. Basta ang differential equation, at least meron siya at least one derivative. So pag wala siyang derivative, hindi siya DE. Sige, what is the order, degree, and type? Can you write in the chat box? Let's see kung yan ba ay what is the yan, no? According to Mr. Garrido, 2, 3. Let's see. Ito yung baka ito yung sagot niya kanina. Tama naman. How about this one? So that is the highest ordered is 3. Okay? Ang kanyang degree, yung exponent ng highest ordered ay 2. Okay? Then ito ay ordinary. Okay? So look first for the highest ordered. Then look at its exponent. Yan yung kanyang degree. Okay, minsan makaka-encounter kayo na naka y prime, y to the second prime plus y to the prime squared equivalent to y. If you encounter this is equivalent to dy over dx squared. Okay, plus dy over dx na naka-square equivalent to y. So what is the order? Again, titingin kayo sa highest ordered. Ito yung highest ordered. That is 2. Anong exponent niyan? 1. That is ordinary. Okay, so that is we are already done with the lesson. Yun ang first lesson natin. Ang first lesson natin, guys, is degree, order, and types of differential equation. So madaling-madali lang siya. Okay, so question, guys. Now we will proceed to the next, which is the variable separable method. So magkakaroon na tayo ng variable separable method. No? Okay. Times arbitrary constant after. Siguro sa last. Okay, any question? So i-stop ko lang ito para panibagong